everyone, and welcome back to another video where I will be drawing some flowy wavy blonde hair in colored pencil. I'm not using reference photo for this one, but I am using my own hair as inspiration for this image, and I just kind of wanted to practice drawing some hair and then share it with you all. So I'm using just a few colors. I have three main colors for the hair. I have a dark brown for the top or the roots of the hair as well as the shadows. I'm using raw umber, which is a medium brown for the majority of my hair, and then yellow ochre to go into some highlights and kind of create that blonde hair look. So this top part is just the dark brown shade that I mentioned. I'm just going in there and blending that in, and then gradually fading it into the raw umber, which is a medium brown. And I'm just blending that all together right now, and I go through and erase my pencil lines. And I just started with a really loose sketch. I just kind of made it on the fly. I didn't use any photo as a reference or anything. It's just a circle and just, the general shape of hair. I also use a white colored pencil to blend in some of my highlights and just make everything a little bit brighter and more smooth, but you'll see as I do that throughout the video. And then another thing I think that's important to think about when doing hair is not only focusing on the lines that you're drawing, but also like the shape and form of the hair. So making sure you're drawing in shadows like you would any other object. I think with hair sometimes it's easy to just get distracted and focus on your pencil lines and making sure those look exactly like individual strands of hair, but it's actually equally as important to focus on the shading of your hair. So where it's darkest and lightest, you're definitely going to want to block in those values. But it is important too to make sure that all of your pencil lines are going in the same direction. I liked using three colors for this drawing. I thought it made it really easy to establish like a main color, a shadow color, and a highlight color. And I would definitely recommend doing that if you're going to recreate this or try drawing hair on your own. If not, if you only want to use a couple of colors, you can definitely just vary the pressure of your pencil and create darker colors and lighter colors that way too. And now I'm going in and creating individual sections for each curl of my hair and blocking in my values first, and then I go in with detail later. At this stage in the drawing, I'm going back in with my dark brown colored pencil and adding in some shadow and also creating some little streaks in the hair to show separation between different sections of the hair and just helping it to look more realistic. I really like this step and I think it adds a lot of depth and realism to the drawing. And here I went in on each side and I just added an additional section of hair to widen it out. I thought it was looking a little too skinny, so I just added a section on each end just to help it look a little bit more realistic. And here I'm going through and just adding some lavender to my shoulders to make it look like I'm wearing a shirt and my head is not floating. So I just picked lavender because I like the color, but you can pick whatever color you want or skip this step completely. But this is the last step in the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in my next video. Bye!